Hey guys, we're gonna talk today about software on Vivo X Fold. This device exported from Hong Kong, and it has 100% Chinese software inside. First thing I want to tell you that is actually the first device that fully functional in the US. Surprisingly, it support 100% Google, it support US banking, it supports every single thing, including notifications that other phones constantly have problems with. So device is 100% workable in US. Currently, I'm using this with the T-Mobile services, and I have absolutely zero issues. I'm gonna show you something very cool that you have to know. Here we go. I'm gonna go to the mobile network, SIM, and look at this, guys. I have a 5G connections, almost 70% everywhere I go. Wi-Fi calling, VoLTE HD call, which is super important. And if I will go to VPN, APN, even my APN settings, it's already pre-installed with the latest one from T-Mobile. So definitely device is 100% supportable by the network, no problem. The external screen is great, it's much more better than any Samsung, it's very close to Huawei Mate XS or XS2. So the only thing I noticed, even if it's wider, you still getting in certain applications tiny screen. Example, Gmail. As you can see, my mail is not fully rotten on the screen, so half of it is cut. If you're gonna change the size of the font, it's still not gonna help you. So this is the only thing I don't like, but all around it's perfect. Instagram is working super excellent. You don't have any issues with the Instagram on the external screen. On the internal screen, of course, it's gonna show you picture not in the frame, so you have an extra little bit what the heck is this, you have an extra, you see what I mean, extra space that is not fitting in the screen. It's like in any other foldable phone, so we experience the same thing over here. The split screen working not everywhere. What I mean by this split screen example, I'm gonna go to the Google Chrome, and I'm gonna do the gesture to open the screen, and I'm gonna go here to YouTube. Here we go. As you can see, it's working perfect. Here we go, my favorite guy.
BMW i4M50, and it's the latest fast BMW. But unlike most other fast BMWs, this one is all electric. But don't count it out. It has 520 horsepower, does 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. And today, I'm going to review it. Before I get started,
This is what I want to show you. I can open fully on a split screen YouTube. So if I'm gonna press this, it's minimize, I'm gonna press maximize, and it's not working. If I'm gonna rotate, it's not letting me do that. So this is the thing I want to show you, what I don't like over here. Beside that, it's still perfect. I'm gonna show you something else. Split screen with this. Here we go. Just to show you how powerful this device is. Unfortunately, a lot of games not optimized on the internal screen, so it's running very weird. Example, Call of Duty runs super weird on this game internal screen. It has a pixelated graphics. FPS looks like it's also low somehow. Not sure why. Okay, look at this. I'm playing the game on the right screen and I have 120 refresh rate on the left screen, and it's pretty amazing. So let me, what is this? I press wrong button. I'm gonna go to Beamer post. Here we go, 120 support. And meanwhile, I'm playing over here with zero issues. It's pretty, it's pretty amazing, guys. I want to tell you that you can do two things at the same time. Okay, so what else? Let me close this thing. I'm gonna open this, rotate it here, close this. Asphalt runs very good if you care about gaming. Device never get hot, guys. It has a vacuum cooling tubes. It has graphene plates almost everywhere. So every time you receive heat from the back, it's spread it all around the phone. So you never get the heat exactly from this point. It's equally everywhere. And I very respect that. I didn't expect that from Vivo. Just because. Also, I have to tell you something very important. What is this? I don't need this stuff. Please go back. I want to tell you a very important thing. In 2 days of playing with the device, I never experienced lag. I never experienced slow animations like on any other Android device. Example, my last device was Pixel 6 Pro, and even there I see sometimes laggy animations. This guy don't care about your lag. It don't have a lag. Even if it's not supporting the game, it's still gonna run it like with the horrible graphics, but it's gonna run very stably. This game is pretty optimized for any device. I'm gonna show you that. To unlock, wait, I'm not gonna do this. Okay. I want to show you something else, how games perfectly optimize when you need them. Just look at this. Look at this. seamless operation, and when I'm gonna open, I'm continuing playing. So the things you needed is here. That's for sure. Also, this phone uses double proxy sensors, so your screen rotation is instant. Almost everything is double in this phone. This optimization is sick, guys. What else I would like to show you? Google. What's the weather in New York City? Done. Navigate to New York City. Done. Everything is instant and working without issues. I also have all notifications working. I want to show you how it's possible. You have to go to the battery, you have to go to background power consumption management, and you pick the example WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram. Make sure you run on the high background power. This is very important. This is first thing you have to do. Second of all, you press and hold the app you go to app information, you're gonna go to permission and single permission settings. Here you have to make sure it's run on the Aura start, floating windows, display on lock screen, startup. This settings is very important. It's if you think it will, after restarting the phone, it will automatically pop up in the recent apps, it will not gonna be there. But this, because of this, it will be still able to run background processes that very important. Example, if you install WhatsApp in the US phone, it has pre-installed by default. This option is on already. In the Chinese software, everything is manual, so every single thing you have to do is gonna be manual. So you go to Gmail, you go to permission, single permission, make sure it's on the startup. So I'm gonna close right now everything. You have a two different type of. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna restart it. Don't enable this. I'm gonna restart it. Dramatic restart. Look at this. Just want to show you something. Yesterday I was tried the charging speed, and it's just phenomenal how quick it is. And guess what? I was playing with the phone while charging, and I never get the heat on the back. It's just amazing how they did this. Pretty cute. As you notice on the screen, I don't have that ugly lock screen bar, which is on the bottom. So you can remove it. Every single thing in this phone is customizable. You have a customization almost everywhere, including animation in every single department, guys. Look, I restart the phone. I'm gonna open the recent menu and it's nothing there. But the important background processes already running. So if I will receive notification on the WhatsApp, it will be popped, or Gmail, it will be popped right now. So fantastic. Also, I want to show you something very important. You have to see this. That's it. About animation, it's a separate settings menu over here. Look at this. You have an animation for every single thing in this phone. Every single thing. You can make it as an iPhone, you can make it as an Android. Currently, the launcher is also exchangeable. If you want to exchange the launcher for the other one, it's no problem. This phone can do this too. I'm using right now iPhone style launcher, so I don't have a draw, but you have an option to do that too. So it's no problem. If you're gonna go to the settings, look at this. Standard style, drawer style. So it's everything is workable over here. So you can do everything you want as on any Android phone. So what should I show you? The cameras are very good. I want to tell you the cameras are really good. It uses latest Samsung sensor.